This testimonial has been independently verified as truthful.
My name is Tony Attard, and I'm Chief Executive Officer of Panaz Holdings. We are a textile company that manufactures fabrics for primarily three market sectors, one of which is hospitality. So we're providing fabric to all sorts of different hotel chains with say for example, Premier Inn, and also we do things for Sheraton, Holiday Inn, we do work for the George Cinq in Paris, we do work for the Ritz in London, so a big broad spectrum of customers. We also provide fabrics for hospitals, and we export a great deal of that around the world. Currently we're doing a big hospital project in Massachusetts. We also provide fabric for corporate environments as well, so that's for offices. We've been a customer of PM+M for nearly 30 years, since we were originally incorporated. And as I suppose, as we've grown, they provided us with more products. They started doing our accounts, and then started doing our audit, and then we've progressed into other areas that we've needed assistance in. Like for example, they're actually doing our payroll now, because it seemed to be logical they should do that, even though we used to do it ourselves in-house. They're also providing us with our pension arrangements for the new state pension regulations. I think one of the most important aspects is the personal relationship, because any professional advisors need to understand where you're coming from as a company and as an individual. Entrepreneurs in particular, I would suggest, need a lot more hand-holding in a lot of areas of bureaucracy and areas where perhaps they're not totally conversant. I think the entrepreneurs have a bit of a reputation for going into areas quite strongly and fast, and then people coming behind them picking up the pieces. And I think in some respects that works, but you've got to have good, reliable people that can actually do that for you. So that's what I think is of benefit. It's still, again, about the personal relationships. I think it's the understanding of where the business is coming from, where it's going, and the sort of the type of services that we require to be able to provide all those different things. I mean, some practices do specific areas, but I think if we can get everything from one place, that's the better. I would also say that transparency is also extremely important regarding fees, for example, so we know where we're coming from. I wouldn't be doing business with somebody for 30 years if I didn't recommend them to other people. It goes without saying that I trust PM+M implicitly, and of course I'd recommend them to other companies.
This testimonial has been independently verified as truthful.